Styles for your curvy hips. I'm Sheila and this is Chic and Confident, a channel for women over 50 who want to look great and dress with ease. For the best style tips, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, and you'll be notified every Tuesday when I upload a new video. So how do you dress to suit curvy hips? Today I'm going to talk about that, and I'm going to show you the best way to accentuate, slim, and whatever you want to do with your curvy hips. The number one way to dress to flatter curvy hips is to think about your body shape. And what you want to be looking for are styles that balance your body shape. So for example, if you're smaller on top and larger on the bottom, you want to make your bottom look smaller and your top look larger. And if you're larger on top, smaller on bottom, you want to do the reverse. So you want to make everything in proportion. Number one, if you want to make your curvy hips look smaller, wear darker colors. Dark recedes and light expands. So wear dark colors on the bottom. They don't have to be black. They might be just darker colors of green, could be navy, just dark colors. And then choose light colors to go with that on top. So wear dark colors in jeans, in pants, and in skirts. Number two is the pant leg shape. Wide leg pants are better for balancing curvy hips. So if you're choosing pants, choose wide leg. If you're choosing jeans, choose boot cut. So the wideness of the leg will balance the curviness of the hips. This is only if you want to make your hips look slimmer. Number three, this tip is also if you want to make your hips look slimmer. Choose jackets that fall below the hip line. Not too far, just below the hip line. What happens is where the jacket meets your pants or your skirt, there is a line created. That line draws an eye, and wherever that line is placed, you will look larger. So keep that line just a little bit below your hips. Number four, if you're larger on the bottom than you are on top, wear your prints on top. Prints attract attention. So keep your prints above your waistline. Number five, to accentuate your hips, wear a belt. So if you have a small waist and you have curvy hips, wearing a belt will bring attention to the curves of your hips. The width of the belt depends on your waist length. If you have a long waist, you can wear a wider belt. If you have a short waist, choose a narrow belt. And a couple of things to avoid are drawstring waistlines and clothes that are too tight. So in the area where there's a drawstring, there's bulk created, which will make you look larger. Clothes that are worn too tight will make you look larger as well. So remember, for the best look, keep your lower half and your top half in proportion. And if you want to know more about body shapes and how to dress to suit your body shape, you can download my free guide, and I will put the link for that in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and keep on styling.